Welcome back. Now let's talk about the links. Imagine your website is a big library and each web page is a book. Now, to find a book, you need its address or location in the library. That's what a URL path does for web pages. The code for creating a link is fairly simple. To make a link, we use the A element, also known as anchor element. A stands for anchor. On the opening tag, we need an href attribute. href equals quote, quote. This points to where the link will go. Ref stands for hypertext reference. Between the opening and closing A tags, put whatever it is that you want to be clickable, usually text or both. We start simple, with some words. Here we can see the result. The phrase, "this is a link," is now a link. If we click on it, it goes to the website at example.com. We can wrap links around anything, not just text. Now, take a look at this. The ref attribute and wrapped in p tags. To get more information, click here. You add the link to the information as click here. When they click it, it directs them to where the whatever information is. Here's the result. Do we get that? And so on, just play around it. Let's talk about images. Imagine a web without images. Makes no sense, yeah? The web is a web of text and stages. To put an image on a web page, we use the image element. It's written as img. And then there are 4 attributes we want to include on every image elements. The source attribute, shortened to src, the alt attribute, alt, and the width and height attributes. Every image should have all 4. The source attributed is what tells the browser which image to load. So let me paste the URL to our image into the source. And the image will load. Now that we have looked at how to put an image on a web page, let me quickly walk us through the figure and fig caption elements. For professionals in the e-learning industry, understanding how to use these elements in HTML can significantly enhance the structure and accessibility of online learning materials. They allow you to semantically associate images or other figures with captions, providing context and making content more accessible to all users, including those using screen readers. Now let's look at how to pair a caption for an image. There are 2 more elements related to images, or rather related to figures. Here's a simple example. My caption for this image is, "Maggie the dog enjoys resting in a field after a long day of chasing squirrels." Now let's wrap this text in the fig caption element. That designates it as a caption. The figure and fig caption elements are handy for anything that appears as a figure, illustrating something or demonstrating a concept. Lastly, we wrap the image and caption together in a figure element. This provides the browser with more detailed information about this content. This makes the browser arrange and align the image and caption together. I hope we see the difference. Do we see that? Simple as ABC. Thanks for watching. In the next video, we will know how to add audio, videos, and forms to the web page. Stay tuned and do not forget to subscribe to this platform.